Oh, another fucking disclaimer. Okay, I'm glad I fucking remembered. I know you see my bed ain't made. Listen, this morning I got up for 2 seconds, ordered breakfast, ate breakfast, went the fuck to sleep, woke up, ate breakfast again. And I know you're probably thinking, wow, bitch, you're a big back. This back ain't big, so don't ever play. Matter of fact, I might show you. Hold on. Body tea, bitch. Body tea,
Nothing
bitch.
beats a
Body
Jet 2
tea,
holiday.
bitch. Body tea, bitch. I don't know if that clip of my back is going in here because I don't know how it looks. So if you didn't get to see my body tea, it's okay. You'll live. You'll be alive. My cycle is coming, so my face is breaking out. But